Breakfast consumption significantly influences daily energy levels and metabolic function. A nutritious breakfast can kickstart the metabolism, promoting efficient calorie burning throughout the day. Skipping breakfast may lead to decreased cognitive function and reduced physical performance. Breakfast provides essential nutrients required for optimal brain function and concentration. Consistent breakfast habits are associated with better weight management and reduced risk of overeating later in the day. Incorporating protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats in breakfast enhances satiety and sustains energy. Many breakfast foods marketed as healthy can contain high levels of added sugars. Flavored yogurts often have significant amounts of sugar added to enhance taste. Granola, despite its natural image, can be loaded with sugars through added sweeteners and coatings. Misleading marketing can obscure the actual sugar content in these breakfast options. Many common breakfast foods contain high levels of sugar, effectively making them desserts. A lack of fiber in these breakfasts contributes to rapid sugar absorption and energy spikes. Insufficient protein content further exacerbates the issue, failing to provide sustained energy and satiety. The combination of high sugar, low fiber, and low protein transforms seemingly healthy breakfasts into nutritionally poor choices. Common breakfast drinks, such as fruit juice, contain high levels of sugar. The body processes the high sugar content in fruit juice similarly to that of soda. Excessive sugar consumption from any source can lead to similar metabolic effects. Elevated blood sugar levels can trigger insulin release and subsequent energy storage. Consistent overconsumption of sugar can contribute to weight gain and other health concerns. Understanding the sugar content of beverages is crucial for making informed dietary choices. Sugary breakfast drinks can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This rapid increase is followed by a subsequent energy crash. The body's insulin response contributes to the rapid decrease in blood sugar. This cycle of spiking and crashing blood sugar can lead to feelings of fatigue and reduced focus. Alternative breakfast options provide a more sustained energy release. Many breakfast cereals are marketed as healthy options despite containing high levels of sugar. The nutritional value of some cereals is compromised by a low concentration of essential nutrients. Marketing strategies often mislead consumers regarding the actual health benefits of breakfast cereals. A high sugar content in breakfast cereals can negatively impact overall dietary health. Selecting breakfast cereals with lower sugar and higher nutrient content supports a healthier diet. Nutritional labels of common breakfast cereals often reveal a high sugar content. Many breakfast cereals lack sufficient fiber, an essential nutrient for digestive health. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to various health issues, including weight gain and increased risk of type 2 diabetes. The combination of high sugar and low fiber in cereals can result in rapid blood sugar spikes. Reading and understanding nutritional labels is crucial for making informed dietary choices. Choosing breakfast options with lower sugar and higher fiber content supports overall health and well-being. Refined carbohydrates and sugars combined can lead to rapid blood sugar spikes. These blood sugar spikes trigger an overproduction of insulin, leading to a subsequent crash. The rapid blood sugar crash results in feelings of fatigue and decreased energy levels. The body stores excess glucose as fat, contributing to weight gain over time. Many common breakfast foods contain high levels of both refined carbohydrates and sugar. Choosing alternative breakfasts with complex carbohydrates, protein, and fiber can mitigate these negative effects. The combined consumption of refined carbohydrates and sugars triggers a rapid increase in blood glucose levels. This surge in glucose prompts the pancreas to secrete large amounts of insulin to facilitate glucose uptake by cells. Over time, consistently high insulin levels can lead to insulin resistance, where cells become less responsive to insulin's signal. Unused glucose is then converted into fat and stored in adipose tissue, contributing to weight gain and related metabolic issues. Swapping unhealthy breakfast choices for healthier options can significantly improve overall well-being. Unhealthy breakfasts often contain high levels of refined sugars and saturated fats. Healthier alternatives include whole grains, fruits, and lean proteins. Replacing processed foods with whole, natural ingredients reduces the intake of artificial additives. A balanced breakfast provides sustained energy and supports cognitive function throughout the morning. Making small, consistent changes to breakfast habits can lead to long-term health benefits. High-protein breakfasts, such as eggs, provide sustained energy throughout the morning. Protein consumption at breakfast promotes increased satiety, reducing mid-morning cravings. Amino acids from protein sources are essential for neurotransmitter production, supporting cognitive function. Eggs contain essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. Consuming a protein-rich breakfast can improve focus and productivity during morning activities. Protein consumption aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Protein facilitates a gradual and sustained release of energy throughout the morning. Unlike simple carbohydrates, protein prevents rapid spikes and subsequent crashes in blood glucose. Incorporating protein into breakfast can lead to improved energy levels and cognitive function. A high-fiber breakfast, such as oatmeal, offers significant benefits for digestive health. Oatmeal, combined with berries and nuts, provides a rich source of dietary fiber. High-fiber breakfasts promote a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. Fiber aids in regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation. Regular consumption of high-fiber foods contributes to overall digestive wellness. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar in the digestive system. Slower sugar absorption prevents rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels contribute to sustained energy levels and reduced energy crashes. Fiber's interaction with sugar promotes a more gradual and controlled release of glucose into the bloodstream. Incorporating healthy fats into breakfast supports brain function. Healthy fats contribute to hormone balance within the body. Avocado is a source of monounsaturated fats, beneficial for brain health. Nuts provide essential fatty acids that aid in hormone regulation. A balanced breakfast, including healthy fats, optimizes cognitive and hormonal processes. Healthy breakfast swaps can provide sustained energy throughout the morning. Improved focus is a key benefit of choosing nutritious breakfast options. Swapping to healthier breakfast choices contributes to overall well-being and long-term health. A balanced breakfast supports stable blood sugar levels, preventing energy spikes and crashes. Making informed breakfast choices can positively impact daily performance and productivity.